Alright, is everyone ready? What's up, guys? It's Christmas Day. We're out on the Razor. I'm actually home at my parents' house. And this is like an older community, and I'm literally ripping the Razor in it right now. I'm incredibly sick. I think I have COVID, but I'm just gonna rip through here. I've never been on any of these roads before. The HOA and the elders here will probably not be thrilled, but it's okay. Still got my Christmas wrapping on, as you can tell. Yeah, I have never really ridden through here. I think there's a little parking lot over there I might go to too. I just don't know how the cops are up here because we are not in Philly no mo. And country cops usually don't f around with this type of stuff, so. But yeah, I hope everyone's had a great Christmas. It's Christmas Day as I'm filming this. Hope everyone had a good year. Got some good gifts, gave some good gifts. Spent time with family and friends, whatever the hell you're supposed to say. I know I had a good Christmas so far, besides being deathly sick, but it's not going to stop us from riding. Oh, look at that. They have little trails for me here even. Can we thread the needle? Oh, there we go. Oh, there's a trail right there. We can cut through. See, guys, if you have a silent bike, no one really can complain because it's not like you're disturbing much. Cough, cough. Alright, guys, like I said, I don't really know the legality of all this here, so I'm in the countryside, but we're just riding on the street. Big empty parking lot here now. Yeah, guys, so this place is called the Q Mart. Very interesting demographic comes here. It's a very interesting place to begin with. It's just like a bunch of random stores. There's meat stores. There's random knick-knack stores. I think there's like an RV surplus store. It's interesting. Oh, this is smooth. Does this thing even roll? Wonder how fast we can get this thing going. Goodbye, shopping cart. Yeah, everything around here will be closed because of the holiday, obviously. Just donuts so easily. I'm probably not even supposed to be back here. Barns? Look at all this shit. It's a pretty big compound they got here. Oh, a little exercise bike. Barn 1, indoor flea. Barn 2. The old Ranger, that thing is loaded the frick down. Look at this sag. Oh, it's a random guy in it. This guy must be living in it. Literally. He gave me the thumbs up. Damn, there's so many abandoned things back here. Oh, look at that. Motorcycle parking. Little jump. Alright, let's continue our exploring, I guess. Like I said, I gotta be careful around where I go because we're in the country and cops in the country don't really f around. Let's just go back on the main road. Woo! I feel like people out here don't see this that much. It's a nice treat for them. Okay. In another random neighborhood. Let's go rip through the grass. It's probably so money. Oh, yeah. I'll be like, who was that guy that destroyed all the grass? Be like, I don't know. Ready? Let's try and wheelie the roundabout. I don't think I've ever had the opportunity to do this. Oh, that looks like a fun little road. See, now we're in like the strip mall part of town. Anyone in this car? No. See, these are the lots I dream to have to practice in. Just wide open, pretty flat. Let's try a hand drag. Woo! This is kind of fun, guys. Just going out finding these random features to hit. Oh, that felt big. Wait, that's a track right there. Well, looks like Santa has surprised us with a trail for Christmas. Oh my God. He did surprise us with some wet though too. Holy hell. Oh my goodness, muddy is all hell. Hey, this is sweet though. It's kind of like a mountain bike track. It's so muddy here. Holy, I'm slipping everywhere. These jumps look destroyed. Thoroughly destroyed. This jump goes right down into a rock. No way they're gapping from here to there. Yeah, not fast enough. Well, guys, this turned out to be pretty interesting. Is this stable? Same so. It's so muddy, guys. I have these sumos. That's cool. It goes all the way back in there, but I just don't have any grip. Ready? Watch this. My poor bike is going to be so dirty. Mom is not going to want it back in the house after this. Well, this is definitely a change of scenery, guys. You gotta admit that from what I usually do in the city. So, no parking. We keep the wheel up off the curb. Oh, we can. It's my first time doing that, actually. I have to wipe this thing down. Alright guys, well, I think that might do it for us today. It's a shame that I've ruined basically the only clothes I have here and the bike, but it's all good. It's all in good fun, all for the channel. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Merry Christmas to everyone, whatever holidays you're celebrating. We got Mike on the bike. Can you wheelie?
Yeah, sure. I don't want to go to the hospital for it.
What do you think? I hope you enjoyed the video though. I will catch you next time. Peace.